let's do this. Hey guys, it's Donald Yim here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a little different than my normal video. I want to make a little challenge for myself. Okay, let me explain to you what kind of challenge I'm about to do. A few months ago, I made a base by using some branches, water tubes, and a dish for a Christmas centerpiece video on my channel. If you want to check out that arrangement, I will put the video link here. Also, I will put it in the description down below too. They look pretty good. But today, I want to see if I can use the same base to make a spring arrangement. What would that look like? Is that even okay? We are going to find out soon. In this arrangement, we will use some pretty inexpensive flowers to create a spring style and feelings design. Hopefully, we can achieve to make a unique spring style arrangement. Okay, without any further delay, let's move on to the project.